Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change name on Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Monopoly Go game. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile. Select the pencil icon. Now enter a new name. Once you're done, tap on the submit button. You can change your name only 3 times, so if you're sure, tap on the submit button. And this is how you can change name on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.